Hi everyone, I'm Yumu from Susan's family. Today I'll teach you how to knit the Journey to the West series Monkey King children's sweater. For this electronic tutorial, you can check on the website, search for susud.com to access it. The tutorial will focus on explaining the difficult sections. Here, I'll demonstrate with a small sample. We'll cover the embroidery method for the intarsia pattern that need embroidery. Refer to the chart to identify the positions that require embroidery. Take out the corresponding yarn. Note: for the finished product, use 2 strands of yarn held together. The sample will be demonstrated with 1 strand of yarn. On the right side, follow the braid texture to embroider the braid. Be careful not to pull the yarn too tight. Try to cover the color of the braid underneath as much as possible. When embroidering, keep the threading order consistent as much as possible. Keep the piece flat while working. After completing, tie a knot on the wrong side, and weave in the end. Once the decorative crocheting on the front piece is completed, sew it onto the corresponding position. Use the same color thread. Try to sew by picking up the strands on the wrong side of the edge. Make sure not to show any sewing traces on the right side. When sewing the skirt armor, pay attention. Place the skirt armor 1 at the bottom. Sew upwards sequentially. Keep the right side texture of the edging facing up. The 4 wider parts should be on the right side below. Sew by picking up the left side, or the upper left corner. The sleeve armor has no right or wrong side. Similarly, sew the upper left corner. Place it at a specific angle according to your preference. Just ensure it looks aesthetically pleasing. For the crown band and crown decoration too, you can pick up the back ridge of the chain on the wrong side and sew them together. Up to this point, all the difficult points of the entire sweater have been explained. If you have any questions during the process, Don't hesitate to reach us via our website, Susan's Family, supporting your handwork experience, sharing the joy of life. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you in the next episode.